Hello friends, welcome to Colonel's Kitchen recipe series. Our first recipe is everyone's favorite chili paneer. We'll take paneer and cut it into cube-sized pieces. We'll microwave the paneer for 30 seconds and drain out the excessive water. We drain out the excessive water so that the paneer absorbs the marination well. To marinate the paneer, we'll use pepper, salt, ginger paste, and garlic paste. Now we will mix it well and freeze it for 15 minutes. Let's start chopping the vegetables now. First we'll take a capsicum, cut it into pieces and then further cut it into cube-sized pieces. Now we'll take an onion and we'll put a V cut on it. After that, we'll peel off one of the V parts and then further peel off the desired cubicles of onion. We'll take one or two green chilies depending on the spice you can handle and then cut it into small pieces. Now comes the most important ingredient of this dish, that is the spring onion. We'll cut it into two parts, the green part and the white part. Green part will be used for garnishing and the white part will be used in the dish to enhance the flavor. Let's do a recap of all the vegetables needed: spring onions, capsicum, green chili, ginger, and garlic. Now it's time to take out the paneer from the freezer and prepare the coating before we fry it. For the coating, we'll take 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1/4 cup of maida, and 1/4 cup of water. After adding water, we will whisk it until we get a paste something like this. Now we will put the marinated paneer into the mixture and then we will mix it well. Now it's time to fry the paneer. Make sure you put paneer one after the other just to avoid them sticking to each other. Friends, I request one and all to subscribe to this channel to support us during our home isolation, and we will give you a recipe every day. For the sauce mix, we need 3/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. You can also add Szechuan chutney. Here I am using our homemade Colonel Special hot sauce. In the end, add a tablespoon of corn flour and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Let's start cooking now. We'll add 1 serving spoon of oil in the Chinese wok and spread it all across. After the oil has heated up, we'll add garlic, ginger, and give them a good stir. Then we'll add the white part of the spring onion and again stir it well. We have to make sure that we do not burn the garlic and the ginger. Now we add onions and capsicum into the Chinese wok and then give it a very good toss. Now it's time to add the sauce mix and then stir it very well. We have to cook the sauce until it changes its color to dark brown. After the sauce is cooked, we'll put a teaspoon of Ajinomoto. It's completely optional. Then we'll add a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and then we'll add a teaspoon of sugar. We'll mix it well and then we'll add the paneer pieces into the sauce. After adding the paneer, we will give it a very good toss so that paneer gets mixed well with the sauce. Hooray! Here you go. Your chili paneer is ready to be plated and served. Before serving, make sure you garnish the chili paneer with green spring onions and some sesame seeds on top. Your dish is ready to be served. Yummy, isn't it? For more such videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video.